Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses model SPR18U in color code 4BK50O. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure the glass don't get scratched or damaged. And the lenses are gray gradient. Its temples are silver and the temple tips are black. And the Prada logo is also engraved on its temple. Same for both sides. On its inner right temple is again the Prada logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 24 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glass also come with a Prada gift box, a Prada hard case, a black Prada cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.